Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We're checking out this. It's in an Imuto, I-M-U-T-O. This is a portable power station. It's a smart power station. It is the X6G, and this thing is incredibly powerful with 26,800 mAh. It's one of the most high-powered battery charging stations I've had a chance to look at. Right now I'm using it for 3 devices. It's capable of 4. I'm charging my laptop, of course. I'm actually running the cell phone. I'm charging that we're recording this video on, and I have a white noise machine ready to go for when I do my editing. I like a little white noise, and I have it all based on this. Now for me, somebody uses my cell phone battery all the time. This is making a world of difference in my life to go ahead and give me the power that I need to maintain my day. I can have this in the car while I travel in the airport, or just actually by my laptop in case that battery starts to go. This thing is ultra powerful. It has 2 USB-A, 2 USB-C, and yeah, I've never seen anything like it. It does have the LED display on it. It's probably the most powerful power station that I've ever had a chance to look at. And the in-out of 100 watts on the USB-C, as well as the out of 60 watts, is crazy powerful. That means you can run bigger systems. On top of all that, a quick charge time, and of course, the lithium-ion batteries that are built into this means that you're not going to, I gotta reword that. The lithium polymer batteries that are built into this don't have the battery memory of some of those others. This is high capacity. You're not gonna have to worry about battery charge. You're not gonna have to worry about like phantom charging and things of the sort. This is one of the most lightweight and powerful batteries that you'll ever have a chance to use. So you're gonna wanna go ahead and pick it up. You absolutely won't be disappointed. Let's go ahead and check out the up-close portion of the video. Hey folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of the video. And this is the Imuto, I-M-U-T-O, Energetic Life. This is a great smart power bank. It's 26,800 mAh ultra compact power station battery, etc., etc. Now I currently have mine charging and running my iProto laptop, my little laptop here. On top of that, you can see it's actually running the phone that we're using to record. Why is that? Because I'm not always smart about charging my phones. Last night I didn't charge it. So this is gonna go into power saves. We're gonna let it just do that and let it charge. But accordingly, we're at 69% battery, and this is a really, really cool device. So let me tell you a little bit more about it. 26,800 mAh ultra compact. It has a USB-C 3.0 powered. Output input 100 watts. USB-C powered 3.0, 60 watts. 1 USB-QC 3.0, 18 watts, and 4-port output totaling 138 watts. So what does that mean to you? It means that you can charge a lot of stuff all at the same time. All right, you can see I have the USB-A port working. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. I got enough battery to still run my phone for now. That's the OC 3.0 18 watt. You've got the 15 watt over on this side. Let me go ahead and show that to you. And the nice piano finish. You got the output of 60 watts and the output of 100 watts. So you can run big devices with this. Now I'll tell you, most of the power stations that I've had a chance to check out, and there's been dozens of them, are only at 10,000 mAh. This is a 26,800 mAh super powerful battery pack for all intents and purposes. Now, Imuto has been in business for a very long period of time, and they make great stuff. Now, included in this is, of course, a very nice carrying bag with the drawstring top. It's a real cloth material, and you can carry this as you travel. This is great for your travel bag. On top of that, you have straightforward instructions in English. It's the X6G, and I like that it has actual diagrams and things of the sort, and it's clear and easy to read. Yeah, smart digital display, super fun there. And of course, you can charge it with USB-C. In a matter of a couple hours, you're getting a full charge to this thing, which is nice that it's fast. So what separates this from the competition? Well, I would have to say that not only does it have that nice display screen, but compared to the competition, it's lightweight, small, and sturdy, but the amount of wattage out, 100 watt out, 60 watt out, is unheard of, okay? That means you can run bigger stuff. Okay, whether that's an entire laptop. You know, most of these you can run a cell phone, something of the sort. But to be able to run your entire laptop, charge a phone, do 4 different things at the same time, that's next level. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products that we truly love. And guess what? This one is fantastic. Go ahead and pick yours up. You will not be disappointed. It's high quality, it's well designed, and it's got that cool lithium ion battery that is not going to have problems with battery memory as opposed to nickel, cadmium, and iron batteries, which have those battery memory problems. And of course, it comes with a handy dandy carrying bag for all your travel needs. Go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. The USB-C, 100 watts. It's fantastic. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.